Hello students, let's continue the session on quadratic equations. In today's session, we shall solve few word type question where the statements will be given. You have to form the quadratic equation and then solve. The first question we have is two pipes working together can fill a tank in 35 minutes. If the large pipe is alone can fill the tank in 24 minutes, less than the time taken by the smaller pipe, then find the time taken by each pipe working alone to fill the tank. Here we have to make some considerations. Let us consider the large pipe and the small pipe would take the times x minutes and y minutes respectively to fill the tank. So let me mention that let the time taken by large pipe and small pipe working alone to fill the tank be x minutes and y minutes respectively. By this consideration, I can say that the large pipe fills 1 by x of the tank in 1 minute and the smaller pipe will fill 1 by x of the tank in 1 minute. Therefore, the large pipe fills 1 by x of the tank in a minute, in 1 minute, and the smaller pipe fills 1 by y of the tank in 1 minute. With this consideration, I get two pipes working together can fill 1 by x plus 1 by y of the tank in 1 minute. So they have given that they both together they fill the tank in 35 minutes. In 1 minute, if they are filling 1 by x plus 1 by y, this implies 35 times of 1 by x plus 1 by y of the tank is filled in 35 minutes. That is how we get the relation. All right. They have given another condition that the large pipe can fill the tank in 24 minutes less. So it means that y will be equal to x plus 24. So in other words, x will be equal to y minus 24. We have taken a condition that tank filled in 1 minute by smaller pipe as 1 by x. Therefore, sorry, this is smaller pipe, it's 1 by y, and the tank filled in 1 minute by larger pipe is 1 upon y minus 24. I can consider it like that. Both pipes together can fill tank in 1 minute will be 1 by y plus 1 by y minus 24 equal to 1 by 35, because total time taken is 35 minutes. So 1 by 35 times of the tank will be filled in 1 minute. So together it makes like this. Now we need to solve this equation. How do we solve this equation? Let me rewrite the equation. The equation was 1 by y plus 1 by y minus 24 equal to 1 by 35. To simplify, we need to take LCM and then cross multiply. We'll be getting 35 times of y minus 24 plus 35 times y equal to y times of y minus 24. I have cross multiplied this 35 after taking the LCM. This implies 35y minus 35 multiplied to 24 plus 35y equal to y square minus 24y. This 35y added to 35y will become 70y minus 35 into 24 equal to y square minus 24y. This minus 24y, bring it to the other side, it becomes positive 24y added to 70y, it becomes 94y. Finally, we will be getting the equation as y square minus 94y plus 35 times of 24 equal to 0. "35 times of 24 is nothing but 840. So this 840, we have to consider two numbers such that their sum becomes minus 94 and the product becomes 840. So if I consider minus 84y along with that minus 10y, I will be getting the sum as minus 94y. Multiply them, we'll get the same 35 times of 24, which is 840. Now to simplify, I'll take y common, I'll get y minus 84 minus, in these two I'll take 10 common. When 10 is taken common, minus 10 is taken common, I'll be getting y minus 84 equal to 0. So y minus 84 multiplied to y minus 10 equal to 0. y will be equal to positive 84 or positive 10. Therefore, large pipe fills tank in y minus 24 minutes, which is 10 minus 24, which is equal to negative 14. It is not possible. When it is not possible, we have to consider the value of y to be 84. Therefore, smaller pipe takes 84 minutes to fill, and the larger takes 84 minus 24, which is 60 minutes to fill. This is how it can be solved. Let's look at the next important question. The question is, find a positive number which is less than its square by 30. Let me consider the number to be x. Let the number be x. By the condition, we have x square minus x equal to 30. A positive number which is less than its square. So I have to consider x square minus x equal to 30. In other words, it becomes x square minus x plus 30, sorry, minus 30, not plus, minus 30 equal to 0. So the combination of numbers, we have to get the sum as negative 1 and the product as negative 30. Look at the combination, minus 6 added to 5 and minus 6 multiplied to 5. It suits here. Therefore, split the middle term as minus 6x plus 5x. We get x common x minus 6 plus 5 common x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 6 multiplied to x plus 5 equal to 0. We have x value 6 or negative 5. As the number is positive, x equal to minus 5 is not possible. Therefore, the x value, you have to take it as positive 6. The number is positive 6. You can just check it out. 6 square is 36. Minus 6 if you do, you get 30. Next important question. The product of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. If 36 is added to the number, a number is obtained which is the same as the number obtained by reversing the digits of the original number. Now we need to find the number. When two-digit numbers are there, I need to consider, let the tens place digit be x and units digit be y. Therefore, the number, a two-digit number, will be of the format 10x plus y, because I have considered the digit at tens place as x and the units place as y. The product of the digits is 12. It means x multiplied to y is 12. This implies y value is 12 upon x. Let me call this as equation 1. Also, when 36 is added to the number, so 10x plus y plus 36 will be equal to, the digits are interchanged. The number 10y plus x Now I am taking the digit at units place as the tens place digit. So after simplifying, we will get 9x minus 9y plus 36 equal to 0. If you take 9 common, and or else if you divide both the side by 9, we'll be getting x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Let me call this as equation 2. Look at equation 1 and equation 2. In the place of y, I can replace 12 by x. In other words, if you take this y to the right hand side, we get x plus 4 equal to y, which implies x plus 4 equal to 12 by x. Now this has to be simplified. Let me write it here. If you take cross multiplication, you'll get x square plus 4x equal to 12, or else x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Now the sum should be positive 4 and the difference should be, product should be negative 12. It's possible with 6 and 2. When we simplify, we get x plus 6 multiplied to x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x value is 2 or negative 6. Now I have to reject x equal to negative 6. The reason is a 2-digit number they have given as a 2-digit number, not as a negative number. Therefore, x value equal to 2. Y value will become 12 by x, which is 12 by 2, nothing but 6. Therefore, the number is 10x, 10 into 2 plus 6, which is 26. After reversing the digit, it becomes 62. Add 26 to 36, you will get 62. So our answer is correct. This is how it has to be solved. Have a look at the next question. After completing a journey of 84 km, a cyclist noticed that you would take 5 hours less if you would travel at the speed which is 5 km per hour more. What was the speed of cyclist in kilometer per hour? So let me consider, let the cyclist has traveled with a speed of x kilometer per hour. Therefore, by the condition, (84 upon x will be taken minus 84 upon x plus 5 will be 5. What is this 84 upon x? 84 is a distance. Distance upon speed will be the time taken. So time taken as the initial time taken with that speed minus the time taken when the speed is increased by 5 km per hour. So difference of the time is 5 hours. 5 hours less. So I have to make the equation in this format. Now we need to simplify this equation to make it as a quadratic equation. So after taking the LCM would be x multiplied to x plus 5. Now 84 should be multiplied with x plus 5 minus 84 times of x equal to 5. This has to be further simplified. We get 84x plus 84 times 5 is 420 minus 84x equal to 5 times x square is 5x square plus 5 times 5 is 25. So here the main thing you have to observe is this 84 and 84, they are getting cancelled. So we get the equation as 5x square plus 25 minus 420 equal to 0. You can see that all these numbers are the multiples of 5. Here I made a mistake. It should be x. X was missed out. Therefore, when I divide both the side by 5, we'll be getting x square plus 5x minus 84 equal to 0. This is the equation we need to solve. The product should be negative 84 and the sum should be 5. It's possible with the combination of 12 and minus 7. Therefore, x plus 12 multiplied to x minus 7 equal to 0. I am writing it directly. You can solve this. Therefore, we get x as negative 12 or positive 7. You should not consider x as negative 12 because speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the value of x is 7. So I can conclude that the cyclist has traveled with a speed of 7 km per hour. Here are some more word problems on quadratic equations. Let's do this by the method of factorization. The first question here is the product of two numbers is 12, and if the sum added to the sum of their squares is 32. Find the numbers. If you consider the numbers to be x and y, let the numbers be x and y. As per the given condition, their product x times y equal to 12. Let me call this as equation 1. And according to the question, if their sum is added to, if x plus y is added to sum of their squares, means x square plus y square, it will be 32. This is our equation 2. With these two equations, I have to frame quadratic equation and get it. Let me consider equation 1. From equation 1, we have y equal to 12 upon x. So if y is 12 upon x, substitute in the second equation. Substituting in second equation, substituting in equation 2, we get x plus 12 upon x plus x square plus, instead of y, 12 upon x whole square equal to 32. We get this. Let me make use of an identity. A square plus b square I can express as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. If I use this in this part, the equation becomes x plus 12 upon x plus 12 upon x whole square minus 2 times x multiplied to 12 upon x, which is equal to 32. This will get cancelled. The result obtained is x plus 12 upon x plus x plus 12 upon x whole square minus 2 multiplied to 12 is 24. When you transpose minus 32 to the other side, we get minus 56 equal to 0. Now we have to make this as a simple one. Let me consider x plus 12 upon x as some letter say u. So the equation becomes u square plus u minus 56 equal to 0. We all know that 8 7 times is 56. So if I consider positive 8 and negative 7, the product is 56 and the sum is positive u. This implies u common u plus 8 minus 7 common u plus 8 equal to 0. So u plus 8 into u minus 7 equal to 0. So u is a number negative 8 or positive 7. We have taken x plus 12 upon x as u. When u value is taken as say negative 8, the equation would become x plus 12 upon x equal to negative 8. Upon simplifying, we get x square plus 12 plus 8x equal to 0. Therefore, further simplification, this 8x can be written as 6x plus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So x common x plus 6 plus 2 common x plus 6 equal to 0. X value is negative 6 or negative 2. And when we take x plus 12 upon x as another number, u value was 7. If you take that, x square plus 12 equal to 7u, we get x square plus minus 7u plus 12 equal to 0. So split the middle term, we get x square minus 4x minus x, okay, minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. X common x minus 4 minus 3 common x minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 or positive 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4 are the solutions. Why are we getting these four numbers as the solution? The reason is the equation turns out to be a biquadratic equation. The degree is 4, hence there will be 4 roots. This is how this question has to be solved. That's all for today's session. In the tomorrow session, we shall take up the questions from NCERT exemplar and let's solve them. That's all for today. Thank you.